Hey, imagine this. You spend weeks writing blog posts for a affiliate site. You publish consistently and you are excited. But then you check your analytics. She gets almost no traffic, no clicks, and continually no sales. That's the reality for most affiliate marketers. But here's the truth. It's not because blogging does not work. It's because there's no strategy guiding what content gets published. Today, I will share the exact step-by-step content strategy that can turn your affiliate blogs into a traffic machine, constant income source. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what to write but also why you are writing it, how it connects to affiliate sales, and how to create a repetitive system that works month after month. Stick with me until the end. I will show you a practical example of how I will plan content for a brand new affiliate blogs in 2025. When I started my first affiliate blog, I made the classic mistake, writing whatever come to in my mind. One a week I write about SEO basic, and the next week email hacks, then a random tool review. Guess what? None of it ranked, and I hate zero conversions. The moment I switched to a structured content strategy, everything changed. Posts start ranking, traffic grow, and commission followed. Random post equal random results. Strategy driven post equal predictive growth. Data shows that blogs with a documented content are 60% more likely to the report success. Think of your blog as a store. Each people walk in looking for a shoes, but you are selling sunglasses. They will leave immediately. Same thing happens with your content. You need a too much what people intend for find. Use case tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Uber Suggest to see what your audience type into Google. Categories keyword by intent, informational. What is affiliate marketing? Good for top of funnel comparisons, ConvertKit versus Mailchimp, mid funnel, perfect for affiliates, transactional, boost SEO tool for bloggers, bottom funnel, high chance for conversions. Focus most of your content on comparison plus transactional intent. Nearly 65% of buyers research online before making a purchase. If your blog shows up during that research stage, you win. Imagine your blog like a tree. You only plant random branches without a trunk. The tree compels. Your blog pillars are the trunk and the cluster posts are the branches. Choose 3 to 5 pillars based on your niche. Example, email marketing tools, SEO tools, affiliate programs. Build cluster. Pillar. Email marketing tools, cluster post, best free email tools, ConvertKit versus Mailchimp, how to write affiliate emails for that convert. Immediately link, cluster, pillar, then affiliate offers. HubSpot reports that topic cluster improves search ranking significantly because Google understands your authority in a subject. Think of your blog as a Netflix series. If episode drops randomly, people lose instant. But if you don't know, a new episode drops every Friday night. They keep coming back. That's exactly why you need a calendar. Start simple, 1 pillar post plus 1 cluster per week. In 3 months, that's 12 to 15 focused posts. Use free tools like Trello, Notion, or even Google Sheets to map out it. Companies that publish content constantly see 2 to 3x higher traffic growth than irregular publisher. SEO is not about gaming Google. It's about speaking the same language your readers use. Imagine shifting at a coffee shop. Your friend asks the best laptop for students, and you reply with a long lecture with a history of laptops. You will be lost to them. Same with Google's practical SEO checklist. Primary keyword in the title, first 100 words, header, use secondary keywords naturally. Add FAQ section for the rich snippets. Use internal links, cluster, pillar, and offers. Ensure the site speed plus mobile responsiveness. 68% of online experience start with search inside by bright ads. If you are not optimized, you are invisible. Picture this. You walk into a store, find the crusher hides for all products behind the counter. That's what most affiliate blogs do. They barely affiliates link where to no clicks. You need to put your offers where your readers naturally looks. Place affiliate links in CTS, comparison tables, and above the field section. Use comparison charts. Studies show they can increase conversion by 30 to 40%. Always add trust builder, disclosure, review, pros and cons. Don't overload every paragraph with the links. Focus on quality placements. Publishing a blog post and writing for a traffic is like tolerating a party for not invalid anyone. You need to actively send invitations, share on LinkedIn, Twitter or X, relevant FB groups, repurpose content into YouTube videos or carousels for Instagram. Use Quora Ready to answer questions and link back. Send updates via your email list. Spend as much time on promoting as your video as you do creating. Think of your blog like a gym workout. If you don't track reps your progress, you will never know you are getting stronger. Same with content. Track with Google plus Google Analytics, Search Console, measure traffic, CTR on links, conversion, identify winners, double down. Reward underperforming post. Let's say I am studying a new affiliate blog in 2025. Targeting SaaS tools. My 3 pillars are project management tools, email marketing tools, and AI copywriting tools. Week 1. I publish a pillar post based project management tools for small businesses. Week 2. I add cluster Trello Face Asana. ClickUp review. Best free project management software. Each links back into my pillar and includes affiliate links over time. This snowballs into a complete library. That's strategy into action. Recap. Audience, pillars, calendar, SEO, monetization, promotion, tracking. Success in the affiliate blogging is not about luck. It's about building a system that compounds. If this step-by-step guide helped you, please hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what kind of content strategy you are planning for your affiliate blog. And don't forget, check the descriptions for my recommended affiliate tools that can save you time and boost conversions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.